Hi guys, it's Mrs. Chenoweth again, trying something new for our mini lessons this week. Today is Monday, the 20th of April. It happens to be my nephew's birthday. So what you see in front of you right now is our objectives and what you're going to work on. Voice level is totally up to you. If you want to use your outside voice inside, good luck with that. I don't know. That's not my call. That's yours. But today we're going to investigate the chances of something happening and to evaluate the models that go along with that. That just means that we're going to solve some probability questions. I need you to watch the video, and then I need you to practice IXL Skill ii4 up to 80%. Please be careful that you're doing ii4 and not just i4, because that doesn't work out. You have to make sure your IXL skill goes along with the skill that I talked about in the video. Some people are having trouble with that last week. And again, this week we are up to 80%, so you need to be careful with that. So let's take a look at the first type of problem. And you can see that we have a number cube. And they're asking me what the probability of not getting an even number. So this is where they're not telling you directly, hey, what's the probability of getting a 6? They're saying, hey, what's the probability of not getting an even number? So we have to think about what that question means just a little bit. So if I look at the probability of not getting an even number, well, not even, pick that up, there we go, is equal to an odd number. So I have to think about all the numbers on a number cube. We talked about this last week. Number cube has 6 sides, so it would go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm looking for all the ones that are not even. They're in fact odd. So if I think about it, all right, 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, okay? And I wanted to write the probability of this happening. Well, the probability is going to be equal to, and how many sides do we have on a number cube? We have 6, so that's going to be my denominator. And my numerator is going to be the number of outcomes that it could possibly be. So I have 3 that are odd, that are not even. So I would say they're 3 out of 6. Now, when you do this in IXL, and anytime, we know that we cannot leave fractions not simplified. If it's not simplified, it is wrong. So you need to simplify out the fraction. 3 over 6 happens to be not that, Mrs. Chenoweth. So let me see if I can fix that. There we go. It goes down to 1/2, right? Sometimes they ask you to change this into a percent. That's why we reviewed it last week. Half is also equal to 50%. Okay, let's try another example. They're giving us a card and they're saying, hey, pick a card, any card. And they want to know what is the probability of not less than 5. So not less than 5. I got to put my draw tool back on. Okay, so not less than 5. There we go. So if I think about it, I have 4 cards here. So I know when I do my probability, my denominator is going to be 4 because I only have 4 choices to think about it. I want a card that's not less than 5. Is 2 less than 5? Yep. I don't want one that's less than 5. So that one is not viable. Is 3 less than 5? Yep. So I don't want that one. Is 4 less than 5? It is less than 5. So I don't want that one either. So what is the probability of getting one that's not less than 5? Well, 5 is not less than 5, right? So I only have one chance or one thing that I would choose. So it would be 1 over 4. Again, they'll either ask you for a fraction or they might ask you for a percent. 1/4, 1/4 is 25%. I hope that clears this up for you. I hope you have a wonderful day and good luck on your skills. Email me if you have any questions. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.